Alright, so fixing just got home. So these little briars left over. So the job that we just got done was hitting privet and brush and thicket, stuff like that, and kudzu. So it wasn't too bad on the teeth itself, except for hitting a couple pieces of metal. You know, stuff like that is not good. So there's a few pieces that I hit that chipped it, and especially that one. We'll just we hit a couple fence posts, no big deal. Hurts my feelings, but you know, it happens. You don't see it. So I'm gonna hit these with a grinder. I may have to put a new grinding pad on to get these knocked down, so that way the new grinding pad can knock it down a pretty good bit. So we'll see how it does. All right, it took entirely too long. As you can see at the dust, how much I grinded off. They turned out okay. See, some of them's got a fatter edge than the left side, but it's from hitting stuff and also not grinding correctly because this is not a seam off. So when you start biting down on trying to grind, it takes off, and it takes off too much of an edge. You can see right here on the edge that I took too much off. So I just try to get as close as I can, and then ones that's got chunks taken out, did best I could. But now we are ready for the next job in the morning, and this pad is absolutely shot. So I've got to put the other ones on. And a reminder is, don't leave the I don't like leaving my stuff out, but some days I just get so tired and wore out. The pads warp up and they'll start chipping off and they'll hit you in the face. So lesson learned. Alright, so we got the squad here. Got the mulcher and then the excavator. Got the machine running to warm up. And then this is what we're doing. I wish I could do that pile, but it's just nothing but brush. But it's a little square right in here. There's a little ditch right here and a bunch of big trees. So I got Chris pulling everything up, and then we're gonna start mulching everything up shortly. I'm gonna give him time to get a bunch of stuff pulled up. Shouldn't take long, but we had the machine to cut off while we was driving, so I had to clean the air filter since it's got an exhaust leak sucking up all the soot. So it's choking it out. I've got to get time to fix it. Every time I fix something, then something down the line starts messing up. But ain't a problem. We'll get it going and we'll get things cleaned up. here is the finish. Chris and I's hammered down, got it done. Oh yeah, that's it. Just about 3.5 to 4 hours due to a small problem that I've encountered. So we got all this. So now I've got to figure out how to get this fixed pretty quickly, because I got a job to start Monday in Tennessee. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Big old hole. So luckily that dirt got packed down in there, so I'm gonna have to take it home and get it fixed. We had a piece of probably about 4-inch piece of a tree come in and smack it, and it got hung. So I've got to do something. So I'm probably gonna patch it on the inside of the mulching head. I don't know if I can get in there with a where I can weld it in, so that way mulch. I don't know if it'll mulch a lot better with it like that or not. So I got the 250 loaded. This is a build that me and Chris is fixing to start doing. I got this on a trade for mulching, and I got some money out of the deal too. Something about it's been rebuilt, but every time you start it, it sounds like the valve is kissing the head. So we're going to try to get this pulled out and probably put a new one in.